moose finally. I had it hanging in the shed here to cool off and quarter and all that stuff. So that's all over and done with. I got him last week up north in the trees. Had to drag him out of the bush with a truck and like 150 feet of chain and rope. There's 6 of us all working on them. Big animals. So that'll be good meat for the freezer. I have several loads of wheat to haul. I'm booked in to haul wheat this week, but the grid is so muddy. I don't really want my trailers full of mud. So I'm waiting for it to dry out a little bit. So I've got another project on the go that I've been working on. I cut down all these trees in front of the house because they were dead. Mulch those ones earlier in the year, so working on this tree row. Then we're gonna replant trees out there. So I'm gonna work on these stumps here, try to get them rotted down. And to help get rid of the stump and the roots, I have a concoction of 2,4-D, Roundup, and diesel fuel. So I'm gonna drill some holes in the stump and pour this in, and then hopefully that can help dry down what's remaining. If anyone has a better strategy for doing this, please let me know, or a better concoction to use. Please let me know. I got 30 some stumps to do. Maybe renting a stump grinder would be best. You guys must be thinking, yikes, you guys like killing things, killing trees, hunting animals. Just wait till what I show you next. The neighbor pushed some bush for us. This was just a little bluff of trees. Piled that up, we'll burn that eventually. There's a little bit of rock in there, but this was just a small bluff of trees. More annoying than anything, so we'll get rid of that. See through that pretty soon. Another one here. This one was a little bit bigger, but this is actually a pretty big area. Pushed all these up, piled it to one side so it's not sitting in the middle in the water. Burn that. This one's not very low, it's actually pretty flat, so get the trees out of there, then it'll dry out a little bit better. See through that. So I couldn't really fit here with the sprayer. There's a fence line here, and then there was trees there, so I had to lift the one boom over these trees, so this was kind of a tight spot. So get this out of here. So that's a pretty good area there. We're just ripping. And there's a couple more here. Push this little corner in. A little bit more room there. Been working on that section this spring. That was all trees and we got rid of that. Seeded right through that this year, and then one more bluff here. This one's kind of a deeper hole, might not get through that one quite yet, but burn this pile as well. A few rocks in there too. So yeah, tough to be a tree this fall or a moose. There's actually one more spot I want to check. We have some cat work going on. Plus I'm checking the grid too. See, it's It's not cold enough to freeze yet, but it snowed the other day and now it's just staying wet. It's kind of this awkward middle stage. It's supposed to be another mild winter, I think. It's supposed to stay warm. Also got this one pushed up. Yeah, that looks good. That'll dry out. These trees, I'll let them sit for a bit and burn them, and then you'll be able to seed through that. Oh, that's a good area. Couple rocks, as usual. Yeah, that looks good. Get rid of those. Another little bit over here. Once again, had trouble fitting between the fence line and where the tree started here. Couldn't fit with the sprayer, could just fit with the harrows, so it made a little bit more room here. Widen out this area so we can get into this back south corner. I haven't been up here yet, this looks good. Nice. Land's worth so much now and the equipment's getting so big, guys are getting rid of trees left and right. And other than killing trees and animals, we've been doing some field work, disking, harrowing, but also moving a lot of grain, working on our grain bags. We ended up with 8 grain bags of wheat and we're down to 3. So that's pretty good. About 65,000 bushels of wheat from grain bags, either hauled home or sold. Boiler hasn't run that much actually, just kicks on at night a couple times, but doesn't really run during the day yet. Terrible, a little wet. This is my mark. Trailers are all clean. I'll go slow. Last load I drove through the field to get to the road thinking it was going to be dry enough to get there. No, almost got stuck. Especially right at the approach to get on the road. Yeah, gotta go a different way this time. Down there. Deadly. Not even on the bar. For morning. After this I have to clean out the corner of my garage because I got another freezer to put my moose meat in. Because I only have the one freezer, and then my buddy's like, where are you gonna put your meat? Oh, in my freezer. How many you got? 1? Like, that's not enough room. Oh man. A few 100 pounds of meat. So gotta do that. Took it to an actual butcher instead of trying to tackle that myself. So I'm thinking it should be done this week. So that should be exciting. Okay. Thanks for watching.